fits perfectly. That's the Ampere Pro battery, and yeah, that's the fridge with the front seat removed out of the X5. Got a little 2x4 down there to prop it up to be level, but that doesn't need to be mounted. It's just going to be underneath there. Put D-rings onto here and on the other side there. Put some more D-rings right down there too. On either side, to go through these handles on either side so that I can strap that down. The batteries will be strapped down with the same kind of mechanism in the van or in this vehicle, but there'll be D-rings. Punch some holes through the floor and put in some D-rings. Let's go together. Next up is to set up the solar panels on top of the car. That's to come. Eminence for X5 and Larry Word out.